Everybody, Adam Raynoff here. I am in Hong Kong, and today I'm going to the Mai Po Nature Reserve. I took a couple of subways and a bus and got turned around and pushed around a little bit, but they're all trying to help me figure out a way. And I have arrived at the Mai Po Nature Reserve. I'm going to turn around here to show you. So there's the sign for the Mai Po Nature Reserve, and up in that tree is like a billion, no, like 100 different herons and different birds just right there. It's really fitting for just being right here at the nature reserve. I'm gonna walk down the road. It's about 10 minutes walk, and then I get into the reserve. Oh my gosh, they're all right there in that tree, and they're everywhere. So I will get in there, take some photos, and show you guys the pictures. Ciao. And I walked about a kilometer in from where the bus dropped me off, and this is just a little tiny place. There's so much stuff here. The birds are deafening. They're everywhere. They're really active. It's about 9 o'clock, 9:30 in the morning. I had to stop several places just to take some pictures. Get back in the shade here. Right now there's a school tour going through part of it. There's a separate area just for birders, and so that's where I'm going to be going. But I'm gonna go in and check in, see if I don't disturb the school group. Birds are everywhere. I had to stop like a dozen times just walking in just to get pictures of the birds. That some of them I've never seen before, because I've never been birding in Hong Kong, never been birding in anywhere in China, and this is my first time. Listen. They're everywhere. Gotta go, there's one right now. I am deep in the Mai Po Nature Reserve down in Hong Kong. I have been photographing birds all morning, and I can say this place is just incredible. There's birds everywhere, and if you're a photographer, you know when there's birds everywhere, then it's just a great day. The sun's out, I've got great light, and I just want to show you one thing. This is really cool. This is the nature reserve. Now they've got these channels that are all left wild in here, and then this pathway that goes all the way across. There's a different area over there, but take a look at this. That is Shenzhen, China, right over the Hong Kong border into Shenzhen to mainland China. It's right here, and that is insane. I love it. There are birds, like I said, everywhere. And so I'm about done here. I'm gonna get back to the hotel, change, and head out and do some urban shooting. So I'm gonna invite you with me. I got my GoPro mounted right here, and so we'll catch some action. All right, take care, and I'll see you soon.